Okay guys, so I have here the beginning parts of making the A-frame tent. So these pieces right here, these are 1x2x8 fern strips. So I got 4 of these, and then these back here are the wooden dowels. There's 3 of these, and they're measured at, the width is 3/4 an inch and the length is 48 inches. So you'll need 3 of these and 4 of these to get started. So we're going to take the top of each fern strip and we are going to measure 6 inches from the top of each one. And you're just going to make a little dot in the center where the 6 inches is marked off at. And you just want to repeat that for the other 3. Now that we're done the top part of the board, we're going to flip over each board and we are going to measure 1.5 inches from the bottom. Don't mind my little rinky-dink tape measure. It's the first one I can grab. So you want to take an inch and a half. So for the next step, we are going to take this 3x4 wood board bit and we are going to drill holes into the parts where we marked off with the red marker. Okay, so just to show you that once you put the holes in from the drill bit, it might still be a little hard to put through the dowel. You can see it's not all the way through. So what I decided to do was to take a little bit of sandpaper and smooth out the insides of the holes to make it just a little bit easier. So I'll show you. I just took a little piece of sandpaper and ripped it up so that it would fit in the hole around my finger. And I'm just going to take it and just smooth it around the inside with my finger inside of the sandpaper and just do it on both sides so that it's an even distribution of sandpaper to make it a little bit smoother for the dowel to go in where the hole is. Okay. And you want to do that on both ends. On this part of the project, you'll want to use the stitch Witchery so that you can bind the ends and you don't have to sew it. So you just want to line up the stitch Witchery to the very top of where the closure is, where I'm at right here on the project. You just want to line it up, and then you want to take the iron and you want to hold it on each section for 10 seconds. Press and hold it really tight. You can either slide the iron or you can just press it down and hold for 10 seconds. And that way that'll give you a good hold and bind, so that when you put the rod into the hole, the rod will stay tight and it'll hold onto the fabric. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you try this project out yourself for the summer or for a birthday party. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click the bell so that you're notified each week when I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.